Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Spotify Premium for completely free. So first things first, we need to search for Spotify Premium free on Google. So just type that in. After that, press the first link that says get 3 months of Spotify Premium and then just press start free trial. And that'll take you to the making account page. After that, just scroll down and press sign up for Spotify. And then you just need to fill in your information here. So basically, just put in your email, birthday, like all this stuff that's normal for making accounts on websites. After that, that'll take you to a page where you can actually start your Spotify account and get your free Spotify Premium. So that's basically it, guys, for the video. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.